Today I am drawing Rapunzel. Let's draw and color together and listen. The Rapunzel story. Once upon a time, in a faraway land, there lived a girl named Rapunzel. She had long, golden hair that reached the ground. Rapunzel lived in a tall tower in the middle of a dense forest. Every day, Rapunzel would comb her hair and sing sweet melodies to the birds outside her window. But deep down, she longed for adventure beyond the tower walls. One day, a brave prince named Leo stumbled upon Rapunzel's tower while exploring the forest. He heard her beautiful voice and was captivated. "Who's there?" Rapunzel called out. "It's me, Prince Leo. I heard your singing and wanted to meet you," he replied. Excited to have a visitor, Rapunzel lowered her long hair, and Prince Leo climbed up. As they talked, they realized they shared the same desire for adventure. So, they hatched a plan to escape the tower together. With Rapunzel's hair as their rope, they descended from the tower and set off into the unknown. They encountered wild animals, crossed rushing rivers, and climbed steep mountains. But together, they overcame every obstacle. Finally, they reached Prince Leo's kingdom, where Rapunzel was amazed by the bustling city and the warmth of its people. And so, Rapunzel and Prince Leo embarked on many more adventures together, their bond growing stronger with each passing day. The end. Please like, subscribe, and share.